Stop right there. Don't skip this episode. If you feel nervous when you speak English, if people laugh at your mistakes, if your confidence is broken, then this moment is for you. Welcome to the English Flow podcast, where your fear ends and your confidence begins. Hello, everyone. I'm John, and this is the English Flow podcast. Today, we are not just learning English. Today, we are learning confidence. Today, with me, is my special guest, Emily.
Hello, John, and hello, everyone. I'm really happy to be here today.
Emily, tell me honestly, how do you feel when you try to speak English?
John, I feel scared. I feel nervous. When I make mistakes, people laugh at me, and slowly I stop speaking.
That feeling is very common, Emily. Millions of learners feel the same. You are not alone.
When they laugh, I feel small. I feel weak. I feel like my English is bad.
Emily, listen to this very carefully. Mistakes do not mean you are bad. Mistakes mean you are learning. Even native speakers make mistakes. Even teachers make mistakes. Even I make mistakes.
Really?
Yes. And that means one powerful thing. Mistakes are not your enemy. Mistakes are your teachers.
I never thought about it like that.
From today, don't run from mistakes. Walk through them. That is how confidence is built.
John, I want to speak, but I don't know where to start.
We start with the most powerful and simple tense in English, the simple present tense. We use it every day to talk about our life.
Okay, I'm ready.
Repeat after me slowly. I wake up in the morning.
I wake up in the morning.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I drink water.
I drink water.
I go to work.
I go to work.
I study English.
I study English.
Perfect, Emily. You just spoke real English.
That feels easy.
It is easy, and it is powerful. Now, tell me your daily routine in English.
Okay. I wake up at 7. I wash my face. I eat breakfast. I go to class. I study with my friends. I come home. I help my mother. I read a book. And I sleep.
That was beautiful. That was clear. That was confident.
John, I feel good when I speak like this.
That feeling is called progress.
But John, sometimes I watch English videos and I don't understand everything.
That's okay. You don't need to understand every word. Listen for the sound. Listen for the feeling. Listen for the rhythm.
So listening is also part of learning.
Yes. If you want to speak better, you must listen more. 10 minutes a day is enough.
I can do that.
You can listen while walking, cooking, traveling, or resting. English should fit into your life, not scare your life.
I like that.
Now, let's talk about speaking practice, Emily. Do you have anyone to speak English with every day?
No, my family doesn't speak English.
That's not a problem. Speak to the mirror. Speak to your phone. Speak to yourself.
The mirror never laughs. It only listens.
Exactly. Repeat after me. I speak English every day.
I speak English every day.
I am not afraid of mistakes.
I am not afraid of mistakes.
Every day, I improve.
Every day I improve.
Very good. That's how confidence grows.
John, when I speak like this, I feel strong.
Because you are strong. You just forgot it for a while.
I don't want to be silent anymore.
And you don't have to be. Silence teaches nothing. Speaking teaches everything.
John, what if people still laugh?
Let them laugh. While they laugh, you grow. While they judge, you improve. While they stay still, you move forward.
That makes me feel powerful.
Now, let's give our listeners a simple daily practice plan.
Yes, please.
5 minutes a day. 1 minute listening, 1 minute repeating, 1 minute writing, 1 minute speaking, 1 minute smiling.
5 minutes every day can change your English forever.
Now it's time for your homework, my friends. Write 10 sentences about your daily life using the simple present tense. Read them aloud every day.
For example, I wake up early, I drink water, I study English, I feel confident.
Friends, you can do this too. Now, let's speak some powerful lines together. Repeat slowly. I believe in myself.
I believe in myself.
I can speak English.
I can speak English.
I am not afraid.
I am not afraid.
Every day, I improve.
Every day I improve.
Excellent. Emily, today, something changed inside me. I feel lighter. I feel braver. I feel confident.
That is the magic of belief and practice.
And dear listeners, if I can change, you can change too. This is the English Flow podcast, where fear flows out and confidence flows in.
If this episode helped you, like it, share it, and subscribe.
Because when we learn together, we grow together.
Keep speaking. Keep practicing.
And keep flowing with English.
Bye, everyone.
See you in the next episode.